Yes, okay. If it is so, we are going to start International English Language Testing System speaking test. There are three tests here, task 1, task 2, and task 3 likewise. My name is Malita Valipitia. I am your examiner. Examiner number is 105261. Candidate's number is 113562. Okay, what is your first name?
My first name is Nada.
Okay, Nada. I would like to talk something about your house. Is it a big house?
Yes, of course, it is a very big house. Uh, there are three bedrooms and one living room and dining room.
Okay, very good. Okay. Okay, if it is so, just tell me, what is the most favorite place in your house?
In my house, my room is my favorite place because it's look like a different method because I designed my room. It's very gorgeous.
Okay, great. And my next question to you, Nada, tell me something about your family.
Uh, Actually, I have one brother and one sister. It's a very small family. My parents and my siblings. That's all.
Okay,
In
very good. Okay, then tell me, okay, if it is so, tell me, do you decorate your house?
Yes, of course. I have when I have free time, I'm always decorate my house because it's my leisure time activity also.
Okay, does your family help you to decorate your house?
Yes, my brother always uh, help to decorate because her it's a cup of tea her like that.
Okay, very good. And are you a student or a worker?
Actually, I'm a student. I am studied in a university.
Okay, very good. Your first session is over. No, I would like to move on to another question with you. Okay, my question is I would like to know about your hobbies.
Um, I suppose the main hobby is reading books. It's improve our knowledge and our characters also.
Okay, great. Do you think reading books is very important thing for school students?
Yes, of course. There are no disadvantage in reading books. It's also lots of advantage like that. It's very important for students.
Okay. Are you a member of a library?
Yes, my leisure time activity also reading books. Uh, that's why I member in a library.
Okay, very good, Nada. Your examination is over. First session is over. If it is so, now we are going to face the second one, task number 2. There you are given a cue card and there is a question you have to get ready within 1 minute. This is your pencil and this is your paper. If you need, you can write anything there. You have to talk about the topic around 1 to 2 minutes, but don't bother. Sometimes I will interrupt you. This is your cue card. Describe an occasion you had to do something in a hurry. What you had to do, why you had to do this in a hurry, how well you did this. You have to explain how you felt about having to do this in a hurry. Okay, you are given 1 minute.
My father and I planned to go a trip, but unfortunately, it's father told we can't go the trip like that. After that, we disappointed and my siblings and we are feel very uh, like angry and sadness like that. Then suddenly my father told we we got the trip last last night like that. Then we can't ready like that. It's very difficult moment. Then we were ready our clothes and our main things like that. It's a like a we can't manage the time and we want to go early like that, but it's struggle to us. I'm a slow guy. I can't
Okay, very good,
manage the.
very good, very good. Okay, if it is so, now we are going to start task number 3. You are asked some personal questions related to task number 2. Do you think it's okay to arrive late when meeting a friend?
I record. um, we we have any works or important works, it's okay to go late, but we don't have a work like that we want to go on time, because I have a last experience last few days. I met my friend, then he also angry with me because of why are you late like that.
Okay, very good. What should happen to people who arrive late for work?
It's like a dismanagement people. We want to go a work on time. It's main thing for workers. It's like a bad habit. Go on a time is the main thing
Okay,
for.
very good. Can you suggest how people can make sure they don't arrive late?
Can you repeat the question?
Can you suggest how people can make sure they don't arrive late?
I think they want to do a to-do list like that, then they can manage the time. Then after it will solve like that.
Okay. Is it better to study for a long period time or a short period of time?
Uh, I I suppose uh, it's easy to study in a short periods. It's not a very big lessons like that. We can study in a short periods. We can gather the notes
Okay, thank
on.
you very much. Thank you very much. හරි. ඔන්න නදා ඔයාගේ අඩුපාඩු ටික අහගන්න. අඩුපාඩු කියන්නේ
Yes,
ඔයාගේ ටාගට් එක 6.5 නේ.
also.
ඔව් අද කතා කරපේක ඔයාගේ තියෙන්නේ 5.5 වල විතර. ඕකේ? ඒ කියන්නේ දැන් ෆස්ට් සෙෂන් එක ඔයා ලස්සනට කරනවා. සෙකන්ඩ් එකේ ඉඳලා තමයි ටිකක් පිස්සුනට අල්ල ගන්න. ඕකේ? මම හිතන්නේ ඔයා ටිකක් අර
ඒක
කියන්න.
topic එක චුට්ටක්
ඔව් ටොපික් එක අමාරුයි. නමුත් ඒ ටොපික් එක අමාරු වුණාට දැන් මේ 2010 يعني 17 වෙනි කේම්බ්‍රිජ් බුක් එකේ තියෙන ටොපික්ස් ටික ගත්තේ අලුත්ම ටික. මේ ටික අනිවාර්යෙන් කරන්න බෑ අපි. හරිද නියෝජ්‍ය? එතකොට මතක තියාගන්න මේක ඔයා එක මැනේජ් කරන්න. ඒක තමයි ඔයාගේ ලැන්ග්වේජ් ප්‍රොෆිෂියන්සි කියන්නේ. ඔයාගේ මිස්ටේක්ස් බලන්න. අමාරු මිස්ටේක්ස් නෙවෙයි තිබ්බේ. ඔයා ග්‍රැමර් මිස්ටේක්ස් කරනවා. දැන් my brother help me බලන්න ඒවා දන්නේ නැති වනේ my brother helps me ඊළඟට අපි ගත්තොත් last week I go කිව්වා ඒක වැරදි I went ඒ වගේම තමයි ඔයා නිතරම යූස් කරා මේ go to a trip කියලා වැරදිනේ go ට්‍රිප් එකක් යනවා අපි කියන්නේ go on a trip කියලානේ. බලන්න බේසික්ස් දේවල් බලන්න ගන්න. ඊළඟට බලන්න ඔයා like that කියන එක මම හිතන්නේ 98 පාරක් විතර යූස් කරා. එහෙම කියන්න බෑ. like that මම කියලා දීලා තියෙන්නේ සමහර terms really actually as far as I know in one hand on the other hand වා යූස් කරේ නෑ ඒක. ඊළඟ PPF method එක ඒක එච්චරවා යූස් කරේ නෑ. දැන් ওই සෙෂන් එකේදී ඔයාලට Q card question එකේදී මම කියන දෙයක් තමයි විනාඩිය ඇතුළත තුල ඔයාගේ පොඩි past එක experience එකක් කියන present එකෙන් කතා කරන future පැත්ත කතා කරන. ඊට පස්සේ ඔයාලට ඕන දෙයක් කියාගෙන යන්න. එතන විනාඩියේදී evaluate කරගන්න පුළුවන් ඔයාගේ exam එකේ තේරුම් ගන්න මෙයාට grammatical range එකක් තියෙනවා. අනිත් එක තුන්වෙනි එකේදී ඒ කියන්නේ task 3 එකේදී හොඳට මතක තියාගන්න ඒකෙදිත් ඔයා PPF method එක use කරේ නෑනේ. උදාහරණයක් විදිහට ගත්තොත් task 3 එකේදී අනිවාර්යෙන් question 5ක් විතර අහනවා. ඔය එක මුල් වෙලාව එක question එක වගේ past experience එකක් කතා කරනවා. ඊට පස්සේ සාමාන්‍ය විදිහට උත්තර දෙන්න. ඊළඟ එකට අනාගතේ කාලේ දාලා කතා කරන්න. සාමාන්‍ය විදිහට උත්තර දෙන්න. ඕන ඔය ටික කියන හරි. එතන මට කියන්න බෑ මොකද්ද ඔයා පාස් කරන්න ඕනේ present එකේ කියන්න බෑ. නමුත් it depends on you. You have to decide that part. Okay?
Okay, sir.
ඒක කරන්න. එහෙම වුණොත් නම් වැඩේ කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඔයා හොඳයි. ඇත්තටම සාර්ථකයි. මම හිතන්නේ ටික දවසකින් මම කරපු නැති නිසා වෙන්නේ තේ එක්ස්පීරියන්ස් එක අර පොඩ එක්ස්පෝස් වෙච්ච එක අඩු නිසා වෙන්නේ නැති කියලා මම හිතනවා. Okay?
Okay, sir.
හරි. ඔයාලට දැන් 1 point විතර ගන්න තියෙන්නේ. ඒක ඔයාලට ගන්න පුළුවන්.
විභාග ජයග්‍රහණය සඳහා සහ රැකියා අවශ්‍යතා සඳහා ඉංග්‍රීසි වාක්‍ය ගොඩනැගීම ඔබට තවමත් අපහසුද? එසේනම් මෙන්න ඒ සඳහා ලංකාවේ ඇති හොඳම විසඳුම ජනප්‍රිය ඉංග්‍රීසි දේශක මලිත S වැලිපිටියගේ Tenses Active Voice and Passive Voice book අදම නිවසට ගෙන්වා ගැනීමට ඔබේ නම හා ලිපිනය 071 830 57 57 අංකයට WhatsApp කරන්න.